Hello everyone, let's learn how to recover deleted stories in Facebook. If you are an active Facebook user, you must be sure on story something frequently, whether it be in the form of text, photos, or videos, and that story finished after 24 hours. So if you're feeling what's happening above, you don't need to worry, because Facebook has made it easy to recover deleted stories. Before we start, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. First, let's open Facebook app on your device, and make sure you are logged into your account. After that, click on 3 horizontal lines in top right corner of the screen. Then you need to scroll down to the bottom of the page. And next click on Option Settings and Privacy. That will open 4 more options, and go to first option, Settings. That will send you on Settings menu, and next you need to scroll down to your information section. And when you do that, click on Download your information. Now you need to send Facebook community request to download your information. You will do that by tapping on Request a Download. Next you need to select the type of information you want. So you are on menu to select your information, and scroll down to select the stories. Also you can select the what do you want, and when you do that click on Next. Now you need to select File option. You can select the format of file you download. You can choose HTML or JSON. Then you can select media quality of file you download. And you can select the data range, and when you do that click on Submit Request, and that is it. So thanks for watching, see you in the next video, goodbye.